Kerala Cuisine Contest 2021 is a unique opportunity for people all over the world across borders to send in their entries to appear for a contest. This contest is to celebrate food. Kerala Cuisine has amazing array of dishes to present, and we invite people to come and send in their entries. How do we do this? We ask you to send us a video of your special dish. Record it, send it to us. Unfortunately, we can't taste your food and we can't smell it, but we can always focus on the presentational skill. Add in your input to it. Dress it up as though you've got these artifacts or the cultural background from Kerala. Maybe the ingredients, maybe the way you dress, maybe the way you present. All that into it so that we can judge you. And yes, 10 winners will be selected. Yes, you heard it right. 10 winners will be selected. You will be invited from any part of the world if you win with your family. A family of maximum of 4 people to come and stay with us here in Kerala for 7 days and 7 nights. Yes, it's going to be an explosion of fun and frolic, trying out all the exquisite recipes that Kerala has to offer. Go and see what Kerala is all about. It's God's own land. Beautiful, green, full of cultural heritage, art, sculpture, architecture, fashion, food, fun. Come, join us. Go on the website. Enroll yourself, send us your video, and wait for you to win. Thank you.